Okay, guys, thank you for joining now. As I said today, I was going to introduce you to you guys what PixelLab is. So, as you can see, I have already installed, but then if you still haven't installed and you're having problems, please tell me, I'll help you. But then, um, let me open it. Okay, we are opening it. As you can see, there is this, so we don't need it. Let's go to cancel. This is it. So let's start with the bottom layer. Okay, this here, you see, very down here there are tools. There is this, there is this, there is this, there is this, and there is that. Okay, so um let's start with this. This one is very easy. You go it if you want to. The first thing, you have projects. My projects, the good thing about this, you save projects for later use, and you start from where you stopped. So if you want to open projects, you go to my projects. Then you see I have this project that I was making. So uh this is for education purposes. I have projects that I didn't show them here. Yeah, so I click it, then I have it. So I undo the text. This layer contains the presets. Imakasonye ma presets. You open projects poyambirira kenako ma preset awo. Iyi nda default paliso iyi preset yoti you can change the text. You see, they are already made. You just change. And also this one. You see, for example, yeah, so you change the text. You double click, you change your name to, let's say, product. So you save. You see, these are already made presets. But then for us, we are using this. So we are done with this. So let's go to text. This one, the second one. The first one, the styles, you save styles, or there's already made styles that you can choose from. You can choose to save this style, browse another one. If you want to browse, you want to apply a style that is available, you go to browse. Then there is default. Then there is my style. If you have that you made, let me see if you have made one. Like, no. Okay, see, I have no style. So that's it. The styles. Then edit. You can edit it, or you can double tap to edit. Okay, so if you want to duplicate it, you copy. You see, then if if you want to delete it, you can delete it. Then you select it again. Okay, so these to front to back, they are, if you want to change from the back, like from the front to back, you use these ones. So position, you try to align it wherever you want, you use this one. Or in a simple way, if you want to align it to the corners or edge, or the center, you use this one here. Like, you see, I'm changing position of it, so it's on the middle, but then we don't need it. We click the X button here. We don't take, because we don't need it now. So that's it. Relative position, you can increase the size using this. You see, I'm increasing. Also, you can use this to increase the size. Okay, you hold it and you increase the size or decrease it. Okay, so the padding, less important for now. But then color, you can change the color of the text. If you feel like changing it, you can change to any color, or you can also use the plus button to change the color. Okay, yeah, so you change it, you see. But then, so on the same color, you can use gradient. There are all colors that are there are more than two colors. Okay, so that's it. You can change it. I'll make another video for you guys to so that you can see how to work with colors. So now let's go to texture. If you want to add but then okay, let's skip. Okay, I don't know which one should I use. It's not showing me. What the yeah. Nah. Okay, let's just click anything. Okay, fine. We size it, then you see it's showing. We can also edit it. You see the scale is showing. So you then you click OK. If you want to add the text, so opacity, how you want it to look. Do you want it to fade? Do you want it to be more bright? So yeah, that's it. That's opacity. So you rotate however you want it. Mask is more important. It's a broad topic, guys, so I recommend you to bear with me so that we can work this on its own. So for now, let's keep it. Yeah, so font, you change the font of the text. These are already made, they are already available on PixelLab. So let's leave it, but then we can change it. If you want to use your fonts that are downloaded from the web, you go to my fonts, you change the font. I'll show you how you can add fonts to this. So you see, cave, no, style is how you want it to be bold, you want it to be underlined or italic. So that's it. Cave, you want to curve it, you see, then that's it. Background, you want to change the background of the text, not of the design, of the text only. So you enable it. You can choose the color, any color that you want. You can also change the radius will help you to, like, yeah, you see now we click OK. So you see the background of the text has changed. So that's it. Background, the alignment, you are trying to align it, but then okay, let's try with this. You align it, you are trying to align it to the left, you use this, to the right you use this, to the on the middle you use this. So you want to justify it, you can use this, but then it's the same. But then there is some other circumstances that you are supposed to justify it because it helps. So that's it. On spacing of letters, you see, you can increase the space of the letters. So you can also increase the space of the lines. You see, stroke, you can add stroke to the design, to the text. You see, sorry for like this is for education purposes. We're just trying to see how does these things works. Okay, so where we are stroke, shadow, some of these are not important, by the way. They're important but then less important. So they are most important things that the other ones that I've taught you. Zimene ndakuzanizo ndi zimene zizofunika chonde tiyepese kupanga apply zinthu zambirimbiri pa text. Yeah, like 3D text, 3D shadow, they are less important. Okay, guys, so at least if you are trying to be better, let's keep it simple. We can change the perspective as well if you want. You see, you are trying to change it, you can change it using perspective, how you want it to be. Okay, you see that. So but then they are not important. So that's about text and my projects. So thank you, guys. Next we are going to cover on important of like how to work with pictures and shapes. So thank you guys.